Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and today we are talking about the 2-year home residency requirement and what that means to you. Specifically, what we're talking about is, can you go back to your home country, spend 2 years in aggregate amounts of time, and count that towards the 2-year home residency requirement? Before we delve into that, I want to back up to the basics. You are subject to the 2-year home residency requirement either because you received government funding, you have participated in medical training programs such as a residency program, or you are on your country's skills list. So if you're subject to the 2-year home residency requirement, this is often reflected on your J1 visa stamp or your DS-2019 or previously on your IAP 66. The reason you're subject to the 2-year home residency required is because of the statute 212E, and in that statute it specifically states that you're not eligible to either change status to a non-immigrant visa or to permanent residency or an immigrant visa if you are subject to the to the waiver. Now, it also states in that statute that you can overcome that by returning home for 2 years and meeting the time period, and you can meet the time period in the aggregate. So what does that specifically mean? Well, if you went to your home country for 1 year and then went to another country for another year, then returned to your home country for a year, you can add up those time periods as long as it meets 2 years to meet the 2-year home residency requirement. You do not need to be in your home country 2 years consecutively. We've been getting this question a lot lately, so this is good news for those of you who want to meet the 2-year home residency requirement but have not consecutively stayed in your home country all at once but have done so in the aggregate. Now, if you still don't meet the 2-year home residency requirement, then you may need either a Conrad Authority waiver, a J1 Hardship waiver, or a no objection waiver. And you can go to our website, j1visawaiver.net, and review our videos, or give us a call at 916-613-3553. We answer questions like this all day long, and I look forward to talking to you to answer your questions. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And by watching this video and trying to become legal in the United States or maintain your legal status, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering our country. And by bettering our country, you're bettering your family. Thank you, and until next time. On the pictures above that best describes the service you're seeking. I'm Attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.